purpose of this video is to highlight some of the new features found within the 20.2 1Staff back office release. Jumping right in, by popular demand, a change that occurred in 19.3 included the ability to separate the next invoice number from temporary and direct hires. Um, this now functions by the next direct hire invoice number is not populated by default. If this is not populated, the next invoice number will pull from the temporary invoice number uh, for both. If they simply want to, if they do want to separate that, they can specify a new value to start right here. As well, for customers that upgraded and want to go back, you simply just have to clear out this field and then it will continue working just the same as it did before. VMS information is another big highlight for the release. First off, we have the ability to set effective uh, date ranges for fees based on the placement. As well, this information can be imported, but you'll see you specify your fee ID and you can specify a start and an end date for that fee. VMS information that was added includes within the timesheet entry window, we now have the ability to specify timesheet number and VMS invoice. And the same information is now also available on timesheet inquiry. We have the VMS number and VMS amount right there. As even further in the apply sales document, if we go to the find, we now have the ability to find based on that VMS information that we can enter VMS number, VMS amount. So all around, those new fields are available to enter and search on in the appropriate locations. Um, Another highlight is going to be a new report that's available to print under 1Staff reports. It's the employer payroll taxes. That's going to give you, uh, based on the pay types that were run and the start and end date. Um, I'm sorry, this is going to be start and end date for the tax codes, not a date. Date is available right here as well. You can exclude non-labor pay types, and that's specified on the pay type ID. One final note is within EFI, we now have the ability to delete import IDs. I've seen a couple user systems that those import IDs have gotten quite bulky. So now they can select and delete those as they need, get rid of those unnecessary IDs that have been building up in the system. Other new features, fixes are all listed within the release notes associated with each program. Thank you all for your time. You have a great day.